everybody, we're now going for a ride in our 1967 Chevy Camaro. Now, one of the good features about this car is it is an RS model. It has one owner, and more importantly, the paint job that's on this car has been the same since 1991. And for its old paint job, it's still got a pretty good shine to it. No bubbles, no rust, no anywhere near there. We got our original gauge cluster here. We got an aftermarket Kenwood style tune-knob radio, which works. May not be as loud. We got power brakes. We got power steering. And as we come across the road here, we're going to show you how the brakes really do function. They're really well. See, we can come to a sudden stop right there. The wheel hasn't turned. As we downshift, we're going to go back forward in the first gear. It's got a pretty good reaction to her. And besides that, if you do purchase this car, it still has the stock manifold, stock air cleaner, and a few stock parts still laying in the trunk. But anyway, we're going to get her turned around now, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.